Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 坏. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读坏 h u I. So u I together. Y 和 Y. Why and first one. 坏 Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。横竖提横撇竖点坏。坏 means bad. Oh, this apple is bad. This is a bad apple. 这是一个坏的苹果。Or broken. The air conditioner is broken. 空调坏了。Okay, that's all about 坏. If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.